Corporate Social Responsibility Award, sponsored by Jaguar Land Rover. Alfred H. Knight.
Alfred H. Knight was established in 1881 by the same family that owns us still today. Over the last 2 years, we have supported our local community through 17 grassroots rugby and football teams, 27 charitable initiatives, and at the heart of all this, the food banks in Knowsley and St Helens and the Big Help Project. For the future, we will continue on the same path, but in addition to that, we've now formed the AHK Foundation to raise the profile of the STEM industry within the local schools and within the local colleges.
Citrus Group.
Citrus is an electrical contractor specialising in working with local authorities and social housing providers. Over the last couple of years, we've worked closely with Knowsley Council in rolling out Salex-funded LED lighting projects to schools in the borough, which have allowed them to make energy efficient savings. We've worked with the Knowsley Apprenticeship Scheme and we've been able to create 7 apprenticeship opportunities over the last few years. We work closely with the Big Help Project in providing labour, fans and electrical services to them. And also last year we were involved with an initiative called the Christmas Crusade, which saw Citrus collect 1,370 selection boxes, which were then distributed to the residents of Kirby.
HA Civils.
Our vision at HA Civils is to become an industry leader building sustainable communities safely. Our commitment to our HA Means More culture has enabled us to deliver over £1 million of social value to the Knowsley community in the last 2 years. Some examples include road safety awareness assemblies in collaboration with the Bobby Colleran Trust. We're a long-term supporter of the Big Help Project and the Knowsley Food Bank. We've been working closely with Knowsley Council Skills and Employability team and created 10 new apprenticeship opportunities.
Live Housing Group.
We're an independent housing association that's based in Knowsley. We are one of the major employers in the borough. We have an apprenticeship programme that we're really proud of. And I think more than anything, we're a business that's anchored in Knowsley and really proud to be. Over the past 2 years, we have invested in our communities and created more than £115 million worth of social value. We've also seen nearly 700 young people supported to improve their education and skills, 3,000 people supported with improving their mental health and well-being, which is a real priority at the moment. Supporting the people and communities in Knowsley is really, really important, and it will always be part of our DNA.
Roberts Recycling.
The nature of Roberts Recycling is to divert textiles from the waste stream and then provide an affordable clothing option to other parts of the world. So our services actually enable other companies, charities, individuals and workplaces to fulfil their own CSR by encouraging them to recycle their unwanted clothing in designated collection points. Currently we have over 600 clothing banks situated in car parks, schools, local community centres. We're also part of the Textiles 2030 and the Sustainable Clothing Action Plan.